this video, I will briefly explain what the Energy Codes principles are and how they can help you to transform your life. The Energy Codes principles are a unique set of energetic and spiritual principles that focus purely on energy. Everything is energy in its purest form. Your thoughts, your emotions, your feelings, even your body are all energy. Energy cannot be created or destroyed. It can only be transformed. These principles will create a paradigm shift for you as they guide and empower you to free yourself from habitual perspectives, behaviors, and habits that no longer serve you. This will lighten and expand your energy field and enable you to be more available to ease and flow in your life. The 5 Energy Codes principles are: everything is energy. You are a multidimensional being. Your soulful self speaks through the body. You are the creator of your life's experiences. And everything is always happening in your favor. You will find links below in the description section to short videos that provide more information about each of the 5 Energy Codes principles. These principles are about applying, integrating and embodying your true self, also known as the soulful self, the eternal self, or the authentic self. These principles have been tried and tested and have changed thousands of people's lives and the physical circumstances in several areas, such as their physical well-being, their relationships, their financial circumstances, their ability to know what their life purpose is, and to feel like they're following their true path. These principles will work for you to whatever degree you choose to participate with them. If you would like further support for transforming or bringing change into your life, feel free to connect with me via my website at www.noreenkhan.co.uk. Together, we can see how energy and spiritual healing may help you in your life. I wish you every happiness in your journey. Much love and blessings to you.